Hi guys, welcome back. For those that are new to my channel, my name is Amy. I am a Canva coach and a Canva community certified trainer. And I can't believe that Canva has released another update. I cannot believe this. And this update is going to blow your mind. So we're going to go over to elements and we're going to go to shapes and we're going to place some shapes on our workspace. Bear with me while I place some on my workspace, and I might fast forward this so you're not bored. All right, so now that I have some shapes on my workspace, I'm going to click one of the shapes, and we're going to notice that there is a new feature up top on this menu. It is effects. Animate, I think, was always there, and position and copy style was always there, but effects is something new. So I'm going to click effects. And my left panel is going to open up and we're going to notice there's a whole bunch of different effects and some of them are advanced. And this is something that we have been asking for a very, very long time. I mean, who does not want a drop shadow on a shape? This is amazing. I am super duper impressed with this new update. So that is what that shadow is going to look like. And you're going to notice it has a whole bunch of options, like we can determine the direction, we can determine the offset, we can determine how much blurring we want, and we can also determine the transparency or make it more opaque. So that's what the drop shadow looks like. I'll go over to the next one. Let's select the glow. And for this one, we have the option to increase the intensity of a glow. And that is super, super subtle. And of course, we can also determine the color as well. So that's what that's going to look like. Let's make that black again, and that's what that would look like. But let's go to the next one and let's choose the echo. With the echo, we have kind of like a 3-ply shadow, and that shadow is in black. Let's change it to green so we can see that there's that green. We have the option for offset, which that's super cool. It's almost like a repetitive pattern there. Super cool. And we also have the option for the direction. So that's what the echo looks like. Let's go on to the next one for glitch. And for glitch, we have the option for direction. And we have the option, I guess, to choose colors, which is really amazing because before with glitch or on the text, you weren't able to actually select the colors, but now we can. So that is super. That is really super. And we can determine the offset. So that's actually, I love this. I really do love this. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. And then below the effects, there are some advanced effects. So let's try them out. So that is kind of like an outline that's called radioactive. This is retro. This is midnight. And we can determine the intensity. Now I wonder if we can double up on the advanced features plus the effects up here. Let's give that a try. Now this is my first impression. So, oh, and we can. Oh my God, that is absolutely amazing. Look at that. So we can double up. We can double up on effects and also use the advanced features. Let's go to my second page and let's keep going, trying these effects out. So the next one is Malibu. So that's what that's going to look like. This is Chroma. That's digital. This is Aura. That's almost like a gradient fill. So I feel like the Malibu and the Aura are kind of like preset gradients. That's what I feel like. So I'm not sure that they're new. They're probably just presets. Let's select the VHS. This is the sunset. That's the metallic. And there's one more. So let me just make a duplicate of this and let's apply the laser effect. So that's what that would look like. Now, I'm just curious to know whether this actually applies to frames as well. So I'm going to create another page and I'm going to grab a frame, any frame. So here's a square frame. And if we notice on the top, it also has the option for effects. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh. So we can actually apply drop shadows to frames as well. And we also have some advanced features too, like something simple, Malibu. Now these just look like a combination of what's already here, combined with some border effects. But this is like a retro, kind of like a double shadow. You've got your border, and then you've got like a solid shadow here. So that's what this is gonna do. You know, guys, I am really super, super impressed with this Canva update. So guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know, what do you think of being able to add a shadow to shapes, which we were never able to do. We were never able to do these effects. So this is really truly something new, and I am totally 100% for this update. I think this is totally amazing. But now I want to hear what you think. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is this something that you would use? Do you think it's cool and a neat feature? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, for now, I'm going to say bye-bye. Until next time.